Founded in 1998, it has been working hard for 22 years and has a complete factory building with an office area ranging from dozens of square meters to more than 50,000 square meters. From a trading company with 30 employees to a group with more than 1,800 employees in development, Baotian has a full set of modern international leading machinery and production lines. The annual output of engines and vehicles has reached from 250,000 to the present 1 million engines and 600,000 vehicles. Annual sales range from 3 million RMB up to 1.2 billion RMB. Now Baotian has a complete set of international leading machinery and advanced technology. Baotian actively participated in international competitions and won numerous awards with great results. Baotian is one of the factories with the most EC certifications in China and 11 European motorcycle appearance patents and 30 domestic motorcycle patents. Many awards, well recognized by the industry. In the past 20 years, Baotian has never stopped on the way to lead the industry and go global. With the role of big country craftsmen and conscience companies, Baotian continues to promote the development of manufacturing, promote social progress and prosperity, and continuously enhance brand value. Baotian philosophy. Baotian Motors conducted in-depth research on the motorcycle market in various countries to find out the highest level of local products, made an accurate analysis of its core technology and technical essence, explored its unmet market demand, and then researched and developed it, from absorbing and learning to discovering new ideas, from excellent to surpassing, and finally creating a Baotian motorcycle that has won the hearts of the public and truly meets the needs of the market. With the excellent adaptability of the product, Baotian motorcycle has become a favorite motorcycle brand among local consumers, thus continuously promoting the prosperity and development of the local society. Baotian warranty. Baotian firmly believes that the perfect quality assurance system, advanced production equipment, and rigorous production technology are the basis for ensuring product quality and long-term development of the company. Therefore, each component enters Baotian, it must undergo strict inspection. First, verify the supply capacity and pass the destructive tests of each testing room and the nationally certified third-party testing agency. And then sign the technical standard agreement and quality commitment letter, and finally sign the supply agreement. At Baotian, every staff is a quality inspector. Parts and components are inspected again online, and every staff is responsible to consumers. The final product must be tested by the nationally certified third-party testing agency and eventually become a Baotian motorcycle that consumers like. Baotian future. Facing the future, not forgetting the original intention, maximizing the value of consumer products, and improving customer satisfaction are Baotian's eternal pursuit.